Definition of corrosion. Corrosion is the damage to metal object due to environmental influence. The corrosion process can be explained electrochemically. For example, in the rusting process of iron which forms iron oxide.
Iron trioxide and H2O.
Example of corrosion even include rust on iron, fading of shiny colors on silver, and the appearance of greenish colors on copper. Chemical reactions that occur include electrochemical process in which metal oxidation reactions occur to form metal oxides compounds or metal sulfide. Corrosion of metal occurs due to the interaction between the metal and a corrosive environment, namely a humid environment containing water vapor, and is induced by the presence of
O2, CO2, or H2S gas.
corrosion can also occur due to high temperatures. Corrosion of metals can also be viewed as the process of returning metals to their original state, namely metal ores. For examples, corrosion of iron into iron oxide or iron carbonate.
Factors causing corrosion. 1. Water is one of the important factors for corrosion to occur. Humid air that contains a lot of water vapor will accelerate the corrosion process. 2. Electrolyte acid or salt are good media for charge transfer. This makes it easier for electrons to be bound by oxygen in the air. Rainwater contains a lot of acid, while seawater contains a lot of salt. Therefore, rainwater and seawater are the main causes of corrosion. 3. The uneven metal surface makes it easier for charged poles to form, which will ultimately act as anode and cathode. A smooth and clean metal surface will make it difficult for corrosion to occur because the poles that will act as anode and cathode are difficult to form. 4. If two metals with different potential come into contact in a watery or humid environment, an electrochemical cell can be formed directly. The metal with the lower potential will immediately release electrons when in contact with the metal with the higher potential, and will be oxidized by oxygen from the air. This causes corrosion to occur more quickly in the metal with the low potential, while the metal with the high potential is more durable. For example, a rivet made of copper to conic iron will cause the iron around the rivet to rust more quickly.
Corrosion is an electrochemical reaction where a metal deteriorates due to its interaction with the environment, typically involving oxygen and moisture. The process occurs in two main steps: oxidation and reduction. At the anode, metal atoms lose electrons to form metal ions, which enter the surrounding medium. Meanwhile, at the cathode, these electrons are consumed in the reduction of oxygen, usually forming hydroxide ions in the presence of water. This electrochemical reaction creates an imbalance, leading to the degradation of the metal over time. The image illustrates the mechanism of corrosion in iron under the presence of a water droplet at the anode. Iron undergoes oxidation, releasing Fe2 plus ions and electrons. These electrons travel through the metal to the cathodic region, where they participate in the reduction of oxygen in the presence of water or hydrogen ions, form hydroxide ions or water molecules. The Fe2 plus ions formed at the anode are further oxidized to iron oxide 3, combining with hydroxide ions to form rust iron trioxide with N molecule or of water, which accumulates as a corrosion product. Common methods include applying protective coatings such as paint or plating to isolate the metal from moisture and oxygen. Cathodic protection is another technique where a sacrificial anode is the rhetoric the corrosive process away from the protected metal. The use of corrosion-resistant materials, such as of stainless steel or alloys, is also effective. Additionally, environmental control, such as reducing humidity or using inhibitors,